Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to remove your watch video history on Facebook. And I'll be doing this today on a laptop, but you can also do this on a PC. If you're new to the channel and you find this video helpful, please leave a like, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos, and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, what you need to do is open up your internet, and you can do this on any browser, and you just need to come across to facebook.com, and if you haven't already, you just need to go ahead and log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you need to click on the top right hand corner up here onto the account button, and what you want to do is come across and click onto settings and privacy, and then you want to click onto activity log. So from here on the left hand side, you'll see it's going to bring up a list of everything I've done on Facebook, so posts I've liked, things I've searched for, things I've posted, things like that. So from here, if you look in the top, at the top down here, you'll see there's a filter words there in blue, so you just need to go ahead and give that a click, and what you need to do is just scroll down a bit in this menu. There's quite a few options, but you need to look out for this one here, so videos you've watched. Just go ahead and give that a click to select, and you just need to make sure the year is selected to all, so it brings up all your videos that you've watched, and then just go ahead and click save changes. You'll see what's going to happen is in the left hand side it's now changed to videos you've watched, and you'll see it's going to bring up all the videos I've ever watched on Facebook. So to delete any of these, what you need to do is just hover over any of them, and if you click the three dots on the right hand side, it will come up with the delete button. That's how to delete individual videos. If you want to fully clear your watch history, if you look at the top here, there's just under where it says videos you've watched, there's actually a line that says clear video watch history, highlighted in blue, so you just go ahead and give that a click. And basically what you want to do from here is it's just going to come up with a confirmation saying only you can see your video watch history. And if you want to clear that, you just click the blue button here, which says to clear video watch history. Okay, so what's going to happen with Facebook and their watch history, it doesn't actually delete all your videos at once. It only deletes a segment of your videos. So you can see it's actually deleted back to May the 27th, 2018. So all you need to do is do this multiple times. You just need to hit the refresh button up here. Then we're going to click clear video watch history again and just repeat the process. And you'll see that's deleted some more there. And you'll see if I refresh the page and click again, clear video watch history. And that's deleted some more. So it's a bit of a pain. I'm hoping they bring something more up to date in, but this is the way to do it, how to remove your Facebook watch video history. If you did find that helpful, drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel further, there is a link in the video description where you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.